Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. Dr. Chad Woolner here.
And Dr. Buddy Allen.
And on this video, what we're going to be sharing with you is what we call the Big Domino. Dr. Allen, what is the Big Domino?
Well, if you think about dominoes in general, the big domino is the one that starts the whole chain reaction. Everything going. Everything else follows the movement of that first domino. And we pose this question just mostly to get you intrigued, like, what is the big domino?
Yeah.
And if there's one thing that we've learned over the many years that we've been in practice, is that there is one thing that really affects every aspect of our life, and that being a healthy weight, all right? And in our culture, it's no mystery. Many of us, myself included, have struggled with trying to shed a few pounds. The holidays make it all too easy to put on the extra weight.
Yeah.
And so for our patients, we wanted you to know that if this is something that you struggle with, obviously after we get you taken care of with what we're currently working with you for, your weight and really your ability to get to that healthy weight is the most important thing that you could do to really set your life in motion to where you can get everything else to kind of come into line. Being a healthy weight, it affects you mentally, it affects you physically, it affects your inflammatory levels, it affects your aches and pains, it affects everything in your life, it affects your own relationship with you. So and it's hard. There's so much information out there that it makes it very challenging to lose weight, just for the sheer fact it's an overstimulation of information. And so you're like, does this work? Does that work? Many of us have tried. What is it? The statistics, the average person tries 126 diets in their lifetime. All right. And diets are not really where the answer is. It's about a program or learning how to be healthy, to live healthy, to eat healthy. But there's a whole complete package that needs to kind of come together there. So if this is something that you're struggling with, let us know. We have programs that will fit everyone's needs. Not everyone needs the same thing, but we do have a program that we can cater to what your needs might be, so we can help you kind of get on that path to where you really can start living and functioning and feeling and being the person that you want to be.
And the thing that I would add to this is simple. For a lot of people, this can be a very sensitive subject.
Absolutely.
And the way we approach it at our clinic is with zero judgment, very pragmatic. Look, we understand that when you have added weight on your frame, it creates problems. And so we look at it from just a simple solution standpoint that, look, if we can help remove that extra weight, it's going to help in so many ways, as Dr. Allen said. And so there's zero judgment if this is something that you're concerned about or sensitive about, or even especially for those who are watching this who are maybe discouraged, who feel like, I just don't even believe that I can do that. For a lot of people, they get to that point where they just don't have the confidence or the faith or the belief or whatever that is. Rest assured, the program that we've used at our clinic has been tried and true, tested, and gotten incredible results for decades.
Very predictable results.
Very predictable results. And so it's not about guesswork. It's not about some new crazy fad, some new gimmick approach. It's sound, it's backed by evidence, it's backed by science, and literally has helped change the lives of thousands of patients all over the world. And so that's why we use this program at our clinic. And so if you haven't talked to us about this, if this is something that's been on your mind, let's incorporate this as part of your overall care plan, because again, this is going to have a major impact, just like a big domino. And so there's a simple way that we go about doing it. We can either have you sit down and watch a quick video that will share with you everything you need to know about the program and how we can tailor that to you, or you can ask us if we have an upcoming dinner talk where we'll be discussing the program for you. Either way, we're going to make this as simple and easy for you as possible so that you can get predictable results, so we can help you get to a healthy weight, but more importantly, so that you can maintain that healthy weight for the rest of your life, so you can really, again, achieve your highest level of health possible. So anything you want to add further?
No.
So yeah, we hope that this has been valuable for you. And again, if you have any questions, concerns about anything regarding your care plan, please let us know. We're here to serve you. We're here to help you. Our team loves what we do. We love you guys. We love working with our patients. That's what makes our job so much fun and so enjoyable and so fulfilling. And so we want to help you guys out however we can. So we look forward to seeing you in the clinic real soon. And we look forward to sharing more with you here again. So we'll talk to you later.